Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Airport Burger King Goes Crazy After Family Ruins Vacation by Police on Scene.
April 29th, 2021, the Broward County Sheriff's Office was called to the scene at the airport for reports of a potential incident occurring in the concourse. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
We're waiting in line.
I could listen to that dude narrate any fucking thing. He has an awesome voice.
I was waiting in line too. I said, no, you out the gate. And she just kept coming back at me and started.
Oh, we skipping the line, huh? Okay.
In front of my kids. Okay, in front of my family. Her friend right there, the little short one. I don't need to talk to you, please. Are you guys together? That's my wife.
He tired of her shit.
I'm a nurse. I do respect
They started.
Why are you talking to your wife like that?
Disrespecting me in front of my kids, okay? Talking rough and rude. My kids were there, the witnesses. She came off the road, she started talking about, you better get the fuck out my face, this and that, this and that.
Hey,
She wasn't even here, see?
What's wrong with your neck?
Hey, stop.
Oh.
She wasn't even over here. This man is clearly on drugs.
She's in my face.
This man is clearly on drugs.
Ooh.
This man is clearly on drugs.
Shit.
So y'all letting that shit fly. What could he
We haven't
write?
done anything. Back up. Back
Don't
up.
even say anything to me.
Back up.
Don't even say anything to me.
Hey, little, she dragging back there. She dragging a little wagon. Hold on. Don't get mad, little baby.
That motherfucker was in my face. Fuck out of here. Y'all let him walk around here like that. When he pull out some shit, start shooting shit out.
Hey,
No.
ma'am, I didn't
Why would
get
you
a
say
chance to
that?
ask you what happened.
Shit.
I didn't even ask you what happened.
You should do that. You should
Well,
do that
why
instead
don't
of
you
banging
wait a
our
minute?
face.
Stop jumping
You
on
should
me.
do that instead of banging our face.
What-
You should do that
All
instead
right.
of banging our face.
All right. Hey, did they order?
We did order food.
Okay. Hey, are they with you? Hey, are you guys all together?
We're not all together because
Nah, he trying to see what's happening with them cakes.
Hey, she calms down or I throw her out.
she's fine.
No, she's not fine.
She is fine.
No.
No, I am fine. That lady's not fine.
Mama,
Exactly. I'm going over there.
No, please don't go over there.
I'm going to Atlanta. I'm sitting down. I wasn't messing with that man. What's the problem?
3 Foxtrot.
About making a point.
Mama.
Hey, what time are you boarding for
R.I.P. Spirit Airlines, man. They had some of the best customers.
Atlanta?
As soon as everyone goes out, it will be less than 10 to 15 minutes.
I gotta get these people on the plane.
You have to get them on?
Yeah, because they were having a dispute at Burger King, and I want to separate them from everybody else. Who's that? Which one?
The gray, the girls.
They're not?
No, they're not having
Okay.
They not trying to. What they doing that in? I know you ain't just walking to no motherfucking airport just to get some damn Burger King that you can get. No, it got to be more than this.
What,
Spirit's trespassing.
okay. Did you see what happened?
I overheard when the family got back, but I also saw when you tried to ask questions and they just wouldn't let you.
They wouldn't let me
So
ask?
I was like, obviously, they're more
Damn, why they so violent?
reasoning than these people are, so I'd rather let the family, but I did tell them, look, I'm the lead flight attendant. I just don't want you bringing that energy on the plane. Discuss it at home, don't discuss it on the plane.
Okay, let me go ask Burger King what happened.
Huggy. Huggins. They already said no.
Mmm.
Stop talking because you're not calm. So just chill out. And you're not even in this. So calm down. Like, calm down. Calm down. And he came, he approached me over there.
It doesn't matter. They're just 22, and so they're trespass. That's it.
22. That's it.
Like the man is literally on coke. His eyes are bloodshot. Like, that's crazy. I'm sober. We're sober. We've been sitting. We didn't do nothing wrong. He approached me over there, threatening. You can see that on the camera.
You're not listening. The
Because you guys aren't listening to me, though. You know what I mean?
She has the decision. We
Y'all-
can't
you
make
guys
her
are
put you on the
victimizing.
plane.
You guys are making it seem like this almost threatening. Put his hands on me. Nobody did that. That's wrong.
Huggy. Hey.
Stop, y'all.
Why she getting? Yeah, your ass going to jail. You keep yelling at the cop like this.
Enough. 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 They need to go.
Because he almost put his hands on me right there. Nobody cares. He's no police. That's racist. That's racist. He almost put his hands on me. You can see that on the camera.
And you got to be dirty because you bought a flight with him.
That's fucking crazy. That's what perpetuate racism in America.
See, you just can't take certain people nowhere.
Ma'am, can you walk?
This is what you guys love. Yep. Because I do Burger King.
Oh, she getting arrested?
Yeah, you can't be doing that.
Definitely here. Go ahead. Go ahead.
What did she do?
Arrest me because I do Burger King. Why he's unlawfully recording me?
What he do? What she do? A burger patty at his face or something?
So can you get his information? So you can get his information so I can sue his ass for
I would not be giving you my information to do shit. You gonna have to eat that. Get what I'm saying? Hell no.
I don't want it. I don't want the food. I don't want the food. But can you get his name? Because I don't want no recording.
Come on, let's go.
Fuck off, bitch. Fuck
Mmm.
black bitch. Over fucking Burger King. Let's try to let the white man go. He's on call.
From the DOJ.
Exactly.
Do you not understand?
It's not no DOJ shit.
It's head
we're in
of the
Florida.
Department of
We're
fucking Justice.
Somebody always ahead of something. They still want to do dumb shit. I don't be understanding. If y'all got these higher up people that y'all know, why y'all still acting like imbeciles?
Hicktown ass Florida.
Okay.
The fuck? Where y'all fucking boil your Gatorade and shit. The fuck? Look, get the bags. Dropping it. Get the bags. Dropping it. Just get the bags. Girl. Chill out, Lauren. Just chill.
Oh yeah, Lauren, you about to go to jail too.
Chill. Lauren, chill. Lauren, chill. We're in Florida. Are we surprised? I'm not. Y'all are racist. Useless. The fuck?
Whose shoe is that?
We need it. May you pick it up, please? Thank you.
I bet it smell like corn chips.
Girl, stop fighting the shit. It ain't shit. Like, what are they gonna charge you with? Throwing a bag. The fuck? They're racist. It's racist. They're not smart. They're police officers. They're not smart. They're police officers. The fuck? They're not smart. They don't have no type of intellect. They gonna do both. They gonna protect the white man who real loud was insulting me though. Y'all ain't shit. Exactly. Freedom of speech. What are you talking about? Bitches can speak all they want.
Not when you this annoying though. Like when you this annoying, this shit is just shut the fuck up.
But a white man that's looking at me and shit. Exactly. Look at the camera. Look at the fucking camera.
Oh Lord.
I don't even give a fuck.
I would have been like, they just gonna have to give me a call, baby. Y'all still going to jail.
Stop arguing with them. They're gonna do whatever they want. Just stop arguing with them. Stop
Facts.
talking to them. Stop talking to them. Exactly. Why would she let them on there?
Demetrius, where are we taking them?
But I'm saying these two come up when she talks to me. Which is wild as shit.
Threatening us. But we're
They mad aggressive. They gotta be from New York.
the ones that hit
And then
us.
you saw that man twice her size. He's fucking 6 feet. She's 5'2".
Exactly.
She's
Okay,
5'2".
that's yours.
It don't matter, baby.
That's just what that is. Don't nobody care about black women. The fuck? A grown ass fucking man talking to me crazy.
Yeah, we got
And
young
I'm the
kids.
one in handcuffs though.
And we got little kids next to you. You stop
I'm
cursing.
the home. No, I won't stop cursing. That's not against the law. Fuck out of here. The fuck? A grown man put his fucking hands on you, all that. Y'all don't give a fuck about that. Y'all marching us towards the shit. Like that shit is cool.
Who the fuck are you? The fuck? Fucking bitch, bitch ass.
Let a white man talk to me any type of way, all that.
Oh God.
Oh God, y'all. That's why you work this job.
These hyenas ain't shut the fuck up once, bro. Not one single time.
Y'all not smart people.
You didn't survive in the military?
No, they could not do that, and they couldn't make the they couldn't put it past the police. That's why they doing this shit.
My issue, how we gonna listen to somebody who sat there and
Girl, they don't care. They do not give a fuck.
All I want to say is that they don't really care about us.
They don't care. They don't care. They don't care. That man could have fucking bring me up everything. Nobody cares. I was by myself. They don't give a shit.
They
The
some
fuck?
shit.
That white man
They are some
brought me
shit.
everything was
And
in
every
my face.
motherfucking
Everything.
state
Nobody
that's
Damn, how annoying can you be, bro? Are y'all drunk?
Time to protect me, do none of this shit. The fuck are y'all talking about? The hell? It's all on niggas' bodies, on 2 black women's bodies, right? Jaffa, please calm down. Like, you know they geeking to do some shit to us. Please calm the fuck down. The fuck, you know they geeking. You know they geeking to do some shit.
Y'all geeking, cause y'all the one that keep causing the shit. Even if old buddy was the one that started the shit, y'all look like the aggressors. Y'all look like the bad guys, just for responding.
Calm down. The fuck? They ain't do nothing. I ain't see a police officer when that man was approaching me everything. The fuck out of here.
We're waiting for the car. We're waiting.
The hell? That's wild as shit.
I ain't never seen somebody rush to go to jail. That's new on me.
The fuck? Racist as shit. I know they geek. That's crazy. Now they just fucking
Well, I guess I know who gonna be on the no-flight zone.
Just be quiet. Yes. Just chill out. The fuck? You know they're geeking to do some shit to us. The fuck?
I get it off. I give you a chance.
You know, you ain't trying to do
All I
nothing.
know is motherfuckers.
It don't even matter. Like, fuck the people and fuck them. But y'all supposed to de-escalate. They don't give a fuck.
Well, y'all can't be de-escalated because y'all won't shut the fuck up.
They don't care.
Because if that man would have swung on me like he was about to do when he got in my face, y'all wouldn't have done none of that shit. Y'all would have done the same exact shit. Lock me up. We're talking back to a fucking white man. That's what it was. Let you know we in Florida. Fuck out of here. Don't nobody give a fuck about this. And you're a bald-head bitch right here. Fuck you. Fuck fucking white man. Y'all racist as shit. Girl, stop fucking with the KKK. You already know how they move. Back up. Yeah, just
Oh my God. Can we please put a muzzle on her, please? It's just something.
make sure you record all this shit. Stop fucking with the KKK. You know how they move. I said that cuts a white man out, right? Y'all gonna lie. Do not touch my fucking ass. Oh God. I swear to God, I will sue everything.
Okay.
Don't fucking touch my ass.
Okay.
Oh God, I will sue the shit out of you, bitch. I swear to God I will.
Okay.
Don't fucking touch my ass.
Oh my God. Are they gonna go to jail yet or what? Oh God. Yeah, she said we all gonna go to jail, girl. Idiot.
Give me my shit, Mom.
You a fucking caucasoid? You're a caucasoid?
What the fuck is even that? Like, what is that?
And that's pure that.
I need my stuff with me.
We'll get you everything.
Mad because your time's up. Your time.
Bro, what are they charges?
Shit's about to be over. So, yeah.
On me, baby Jesus, and the 12 baby disciples. What are they charged with?
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Gotta go pick up my daughter, so I gotta get the fuck out of here. It's been fun. See you tomorrow. I will have videos posted on my other 2 pages. I'll try for you guys. But that's it, baby. Actually, I am going to have them posted. They're going to be posted at 9 a.m. tomorrow and 10 a.m. tomorrow. So be there or be square. Actually, no, it's going to be like, they're going to be right after each other, actually. Now that I think about it.
TGIF Fridays is regarded as the
La 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 la.